practicality kurwa lagi akan fokus pada sejarah. Ani kan dalam maju deh. Is laga.
Aji amikan 29 TV aji amikan Naga Council conference holdi bal meeting loise East Dimapur civil society alag ahikena aji bi amikan meeting to bhal loise NLTV laga issue karni aji first time ami East Dimapur di alag organization इतिया हमार लेफ्ट साइड ती थाका ईस्ट डिमापुर चेयरमैन फोरम प्रेसिडेंट कन्वेनर और ईस्ट डिमापुर यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लगा कन्वेनर प्रेसिडेंट आमी के सब कन्वेनर एनएलटीवी लगा सेरी जाके साथ कन्वेनर डॉक्टर हमार डीन एसयू वाइस प्रेसिडेंट आमी के याती अपने के लोग बहिबो पारा करने अपने के मीडिया फ्रेटर्निटी की थैंक्स भी जानाय आसे আজি डिमापुर दे आमी के खाली नागा काउंसिल आमी के एको नरे इतो करने आमी के ऑल द सिविल सोसाइटी आही के ना अलग सोसाइटी ईस्ट डिमापुर पर आमी के मिली के ना डंगर मीटिंग लुइसे আজি मीटिंग भाल पर सक्सेस हुइसे एटा की आगे करि के ना जाबो लागे कि मिली के ना जाबो लागे आज आमार ईस्ट डिमापुर खेल लगा कथा भी शुनि के ना आमी के बेसि मन डंगर होइसे आमार कन्वेनर प्राही अपने के एतु बुझाई दिबो किनिका जाबो ताइ पर आमार कन्वेनर पर अपने के लोग कथा करि थैंक यू
इटा আজি मीटिंग हुआ मोर देन 3 आवर्स डिलिब्रेशन करिसे और सब लगा भावना भी सेम ग्राउंड ते থাকিছে to leave the Nagaland Liquor Prohibition Act in Dimapur district. तो इतो लगा इशू ते आमिखान ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कुन इस डिमापुर पर आइसे आमी अलप इतो हाईलाइट কৰি দিব आमिखान ना व्यूअर्स आमिखान ना पब्लिक खान के फ्रॉम ईस्ट डिमापुर আজি मीटिंग करा बेसि ग्रैंड सक्सेस होइसे आमिखान नागा काउंसिल प्रेसिडेंट रा कोआ निसिना ईस्ट डिमापुर विलेज काउंसिल चेयरमैन फोरम प्रेसिडेंट और ताला मेंबर्स का नाइशे ईस्ट डिमापुर जीबी एसोसिएशन प्रेसिडेंट और ताकान मेंबर्स का नाइशे ईस्ट डिमापुर नागा यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रेसिडेंट एंड मेंबर्स का नाइशे ट्राइबल काउंसिल पूर्णा बाजार ताखान भी आइशे नाहाबारी कम्युनिटी सिटीजन फोरम ताखान भी आइशे ईस्ट डिमापुर बिजनेस एसोसिएशन इतिया टुगेदर नाउ इतिया मोन डिमापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट सब मिलाई ना आमिखान एसोसिएशन आमिखान मिली के ना 14 एसोसिएशन इतिया मिली के ना से तो इतिया आमिखान लगा डिसीजन तो आजी लोआ तो एकता रेजोल्यूशन दिसे कुरिसे ताते आमिखान एनएलटीपी एक्ट ऑफ 1989 टू डिमापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुरा लिफ्ट करि दिबि कोइना आमिखान इतु लगा डिसीजन ते आमिखान रेजोल्यूशन रिजॉल्व करिसे ताते फर्दर डिस्कशन करबोले आसे आमिखान अलग स्टेक होल्डर्स खान के आगे दे कोआ नेशनल आमिखान ट्राइबल होस्ट खान के आमिखान अलग सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी ऑफ डिमापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इवन विलेज काउंसिल्स हो भी अलग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के आमिखान रेडी होइसे आमिखान डिस्कस करिसे आमिखान सब के लोग पाइने आमिखान व्यूज आमिखान भावना की आसे तखान लोग भी शेयर करबोले आगे जाबोले आमिखान तैयार करि आसे इतिया तो इतुरा आजिला मीटिंग तो लंबा चौड़ा डिलिब्रेशन करिसे सब तो इतना मीडियाते कब ना पारिबो इमाने किमान डिसीजन डिस्कशन करिसे इतुहे व्यूअर्स और पब्लिक के जनाई दिया से थैंक
you press media and at the outset I would like to extend our gratefulness to our LCD president and his esteemed colleagues and also the chairman of this particular committee. When we talk about this NLTP Act, Amakam inika kola se kata or we appreciate our NCT leadership for taking up this issue. Amakan sub experience 36 years or Amakan yeti as a Christian we know drugs alcohol dole society garni diase. So if we talk about that we are very much with our church leaders. Kintu amakan inka sato le 36 years experience di itu practically it brings more bad than good. Makan bi sob dikha ase socially, ethically, morally, or itu act ole amakan kha manu poison dian sina ekta practically amakan inka dikha ase itu garni right society bal purbo garni amakan health bal thaibo garni itu practically saile amakan itu lift kurgena ekta government he ekta system bahal banai kena jaile bal hogonegi itu hi bhavna asa nole we don't question the integrity of our church leaders or taikan leadership itu question pura itu nai kintu practically amakan inka saile itu to hole ama Christian manu bishi biya kurja especially youngsters or aji kali inika tri state ko ase kintu vote clickers inka amakan itu sath hole every nook and corner available ase or almost 80-90% hole young girls and boys they are engaged in these activities to khali kha la no hoigena immoral activities bi bishi encourage hoise de well doing this business itu society gardi bishi biase itu garni amakan bhavna tole ama NCD leadership raki issue choase tadi urban colony GB's leadership kan raki choase amakan pi a itu tole usase itu tole amakan government ki approach kurgena ekta alternative step to lobo lage itu bhavna pura aji meeting thaka to bishi khushi pai kene itu koase thank you
aji coalition American Naga Council Dimapur aro amikan itu East Dimapur Civil Society Organization amikan coordination meeting pura amikan bishi khushi paise aro aji meeting laga itu NLTP Act laga opor de amikan kotha kori saise to coalition amikan bi itu NLTP laga act to amikan poila student union time pura amikan bi itu control to puri kina bi amikan de aise bole bi coalition itu to ekdom na pare aro itu sob manu itia to NLTP act to itia to Nagaland to dry state ase bole bi kun jaga de bi modu na ba la jaga to nai itu pura aji amikan NCD pura spearhead karna itu amikan itu meeting la to আমি বেশি খুশি পাইছে amikan agina itu coordination meeting kora to hole to amikan government কোন individual ke amikan to against nai hole bi আমি government ke bi kobole mon thaka to NLTP act lift kona thaka to practically implement korbole para ase na nai itu hi ase amikan itia ko nishna 36 years inega to ahi jese itia manukan sob itu modu to kote bi amikan itu napas gato nai itu bra amikan aji meeting la to hole to amikan to Naga Council Dimapur pra itu initiate la to amikan tate support ase amikan government ke kobole mon thaka to hoy itu NLTP act to lift kurigina kiba ekta alternative solution itu amikan itu bi sai sabole amikan itu amikan tate ichha ase itu bra hi amikan youth organization on behalf pra amikan itu act to hole to lift koribi koina amikan itu pura support to amikan Naga Council Dimapur और ये civil society organization आज किमान meeting देशे सब लोगों ने हमें support आसे।
So now you can go ahead with your questions. No?
One clarification, Chairman, that is regarding you mentioned 14 associations from Dimapur and East Dimapur has now taken the resolution to request the state government to repeal or amend whatever it is the NLTP Act for Dimapur. Now, when you say 14 associations, does that mean the association outside the preview of Naga Council Dimapur or those coming under NCD? Because I don't think there will be only 14.
Yeah. I'll just clarify. Itu la clarification di dibo. Itia moi khan previous interview to be itu mention korisile. Moi khan la late governor La Ganeshan Hatamde 2023 de. American civil societies under the aegis of Naga Council. Moran all of time laga constraint हुआ पड़ा ताते American 8 civil societies पड़ा मिलाएगा ना American প্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন দিছিলোঁ গভৰ্ণৰে তাতে কৰি কিনে আজি তোক অহা 2025তে আমি খান এইটো NLTP লাগাটো আৰু চুব নাপাৰা চুই আছে বাট ফুল ফ্লেজেড হৈ থাকিছে বুলি আজি আমি খান ইনক্লুচিভ মিটিং কৰি কিনে ইনক্লুডিং আৱাৰ ইষ্ট ডিমাপুৰ লিডাৰ্ছ এণ্ড এল্ডাৰ্ছ কৰি কিনে আমি খান এতিয়া মিলাই কিনে অহাটো আমি খান 14 অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন মিলি কিনে আছে আমি খান ইয়াতে পৰা ইমান 14 বাৰ কৰিবলৈ আছে লগাবি এইটো কনক্লুজন নহয় আৰু মহান মিলি কিনে আৰু কেনেকুৱা আগেতে আমি খান ৰোড মেপ হ'ব আমি খান ডিছকাছ কৰি কিনে ইদাৰ দুসৰা অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন খান বি আৰু মিলিব পাৰে দেট ইজ অলছ' ৱেলকাম আছে আমি খান এতিয়া কমিটি ফৰ্ম কৰিবলৈ আগে যাবলৈ আছে এইটো পিছতে আমি খান ভাৱনাটো কি আছে আমি খান মিলাই কিনেহে তো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেশ্যন ছাবমিট কৰিব নে কেনেকৈ এপ্ৰ'চ কৰিব ডেট লেটাৰ অন উই উইল let our one of years our public engagement.
Just for my personal understanding, how Sumi Lota organizations that
Pardon?
how Sumi Lota don't was that?
No. These 14 organizations.
Yes.
You want to know the names?
Can you validate that?
Okay, anyway, mohan eta starting is Dimapur bra naam khan age tibi koi dishe aro repeat kori dibo. East Dimapur Village Council Chairman Forum, East Dimapur GB's Association, East Dimapur Naga Youth Organization, Tribal Council Purna Bazar, Nahabari Community Citizen Forum, East Dimapur Business Association. Choita organization to American East Dimapur bra aji present hoisu. Ina hogina American ite East Dimapur chaigina ita Koila laga organization kan under the aegis of Naga Council Program representation submit kura Dimapur Urban Council Chairman Federation Naga Women Ho Dimapur GB Union Sadar Dimapur Naga Student Union Dimapur District Citizen Forum Dimapur District GB Association Business Association of Nagas Aro Dimapur Chambers and Commerce Industry Kujena Amikhan sab milayena 14 Ita itu laga issue te kubule mon daga Amikhan road map to Amikhan ki public or viewers karke sab to kubule na parego Holibi this time Amikhan mon damor hato East Dimapur makan late ase Amikhan milayena Dimapur district karne ki bhalo bole lage Amikhan milayena under the aegis of Naga Council Kujena Amikhan discuss kujena itu তাই লগা এইটো ইস্যুতে আমি খান ফুলি মিলাই কিনে কৰিলে আমি খান সাকসেস হ'ব কৰি কিনে এইটো জনাই দি আছো
This might seem a bit critical question. I'm sure the committee must have done some background studies regarding the pros and cons of lifting the NLTP Act. We, as of now, what we have seen is khali via negative impact through the implementation of the NLTP Act, khali via impact So, given the circumstances that in the near future the state government decides to lift the NLTP Act in Dimapur, what do you think would be the consequence? What benefit do you think Nagas in general or Dimapur in particular would get through the lifting of the Act?
Would you like to supplement?
Yeah. Regarding your question, Amakan, Amakan understanding to like it will lift probably society to like decent ho jao. It compare probably it lift probably hi par logo. It Amakan we have full confidence. কিন্তু government decision loi kena in case they can trial period for 5-10 years ki probo bole bi that they can also take decision in that line যদি বি হ'ব কিন্তু আমাখান তোলে ইনকা ভাবনা তোলে practically আমাখান success কৰিব নাপাৰা পৰা society বেছি বিয়া কৰা আছে এইটো কাৰণে একটা government পৰা system একটা বনাই কেনা lift কৰিলে বি ইটো খোলা চেদি একটা গাইডলাইন সে লাইক ড্রাই ডে নহলে একটা কিবা advanced CTT ki branch na amakan be ekta system tra gule itu 24/7 kholibo lage kotha noy daily kholibo laga kotha noy kintu itu system di jale ini bi bal hobo ki na amakan itu ekta confidence ase secondly amakan sob jana ase itu thaka garni biya saman adulterated drinks bishi baigene itu bra kiman biya kodise kiman murise itu ase itu garni amakan olop society bahal thaibo gale itu bal hobo neki amakan itu confidence ase. Thank you.
Chairman sir, can you kindly give some statistical data analysis?
About-
If the committee had made some proper studies. Economically, for example, Assam Prai Vishwala, anyone can give. Assam Prai Vishwala can give. So we have heard like if the act is lifted, the money will circulate around the Nagas. So to make the case more stronger.
See, in regard to this issue, why we at the democracy so we are in support with uplifting the act is because we are not thinking on emotional messages. We are being practical. So the lifting of this act would be depicted in a wide, in a greater context. So when we talk about, see, economy becomes secondary, but if we happen to see in a secondary way of the economic way, we are losing approximately around 600 crores. Our state neighboring state like Assam, they are generating around 800 crores annually. And the state of Meghalaya, they are earning around 80 crores. So over the years, if this act is lifted, we can generate around 600 crores. In the years to come also, we can generate around 1,500. I mean, that is conservative estimation only. But like I said, it is beneficial not only financially also, but it will also help us in many ways also, in the health hazard also, and also in many aspects of life also. And for the committee, we have already a core committee. The committee is headed by our USSA President Zasim. So after a base of CSO like the DNSU and GPSR, Nagabong, and we are all the core member of this core committee. Subsequently, the other CSO would be a subcommittee.
Just to supplement my friends, but before that, I was very happy to know that today Ajito meeting Kiman Malu attend Kurishe. Some of the, most of them were people super in Nahamanapi Aisha, but they also say that you do act to lift over again. Under the leadership of our president, Mount Nagar Council, more than before the statehood, Nagaland statehood, more than 75 years, but we see ball come bring the IS. Our Taramba, UCCF Tanke, we do issue go forward to reach a video. Who are we actually? We are just chosen by our own only residents, we choose Kurishiro. Today I want to tell the media and all the public that we don't want to come in between NLTP Act or church law between the Ivoli Monai. But as a chosen person, as leaders, that is not right. We have been chosen to do what the public says, what the people, what the population wants us to do. NLTP Act issue is a very, very big issue. We cannot ignore it. That's why American ball lagibi, na lagibi, right to right, wrong to wrong, asana, marks of the Jama Gorna, itu movement to continue Kurubo, and we will do it in a very strong way. Kurubo Peda, Man, Korea say, it will get stronger and stronger in the days to come. Tai Bia, same way Bia Silla Peda Noy, right to Bhava Dikavale, wrong to Bhava Dikavale. Or just to supplement our friends, NLTP Act to Kulisi Ki Balawa Polito as a medical doctor as I can एक थका करने quality control unit तो नहीं तो कितना adulterated alcohol to control करूँगा कितना check करूँगा once एक तो lift हुई शुरू करी तो quality control department था कि वो तो in the concerned department था कि वो तो इतना उसमें alcohol flowing into our state will be of a better quality thereby health तो किसी effect नहीं करूँगा আৰু আমি এটা কনফিউজন আমি গ'লে ভিউৱাৰ্ছ কাকে কাৰেক্ট কৰিব মন যাদ ড্ৰাই ষ্টেট থাকা আৰু ড্ৰাই ষ্টেট নাথাকাতে alcohol related health condition to kinaga ase na bishi debate thake but there are few confusion in that way. It is simply clear from jada of course dry state thakade alcohol related disease to comparatively all of komti thaki koi but there is a sharp rise in use of adulterated alcohol itu more health risks bias about itu ko ase to we must can janibo lage aro yes. When it comes to revenue also, we can discuss today. We will focus on NLTP Act only, but shares revenue it's not complete. So somewhere or the other, we have to put these either shares part because it's never complete NLTP Act without churches and also without revenue. Shares like we have said before, we are all part of the church. And most of us are in a very difficult position right now. Public and also when it comes to revenue, when we say about revenue, so we don't want to touch on that, but that also is a very important aspect for the viewers to understand. Yeah, that's it.
Sir. See, if this act is going to be lifted, then don't you think this will have an impact, adverse impact on the young people? It becomes like alcohol will become more accessible, and then they become more addictive, right? So, what is it?
See, NLTP Act to leave for sure. One, maybe it will leave honor. For example, it will leave honor. It will honor. Only lift one is not so. You सब जगह पे पाया ऐसे livelihood तो चुलिया ऐसे इतना life किन्हें का ऐसे इन्हें का थकी बोला ऐसे मगर इतना तो modern world थकी ऐसे नहीं 36 years back लगा life तो अलग थकी चलो that time we don't have cameras we cannot live telecast करना पड़े life तो totally अलग थकी चलो इतना तो students can be, families can be more educated, more bright side of the future. I mean, civil society's leader can do. American के किले leader बनाए public law voice, public मीडिया voice बोले बनाए तो मुझे इतना लाख अपनी बता नहीं सुना ये तो leave हुआ पिछले भी government law rules and regulation था कि वो that American भी पूरी साइड बोले मिजोरम दे होली भी मणिपुर दे होली भी ताका rules भी अलग आसे आसाम तो भी अलग आसे but only bordering Assam in Karkati Laurijan ताते तो कोई rules नहीं तो मुझे जाना तब तो किमान नगा मानो खावा बोले खालू किले तान तो पैसा पाए तो हमें का नगा मानो किमान इतो पर effect होशो we are not saying in 36 years इतो prohibition तो हमें खान करने भाल होशो करने को तो न बोले I as a convener, I have many things. More busy. Itu laga issue to study भी कोई नहीं है. But सब तो after को ना पड़े. But I can only itu को बोले मन थका. 36 years थे. बिहार भी busy हुई तो दिमाग अमेरिकन नागा मनो करने. नागा मनो लगा इतना साइकिल आये तो health लगा issue बोले तो बीमार लगा issue बोले तो HIV AIDS तो second highest population in India. So my question also एकटा arise करा तो ये तो HIV AIDS तो prohibition ना state थे हो पड़ा तो is it because of prohibition? इतना महान leaders kan इमान debate करेंगे ना ऐसे इमान कथा करना ऐसे हमें kan इतना 36 years में कथा कोई जगह आ तो मैं kan नागा मानो भी सब जाने ऐसे की बाल ऐसे की बिया ऐसे sunflower, drugs, any kind of substance is also a byproduct of prohibition. And I can also debate on it. American Jadibo Lage, American Laga Committee, 14 NGOs, civil societies, American Miligana, it is so experienced Thaka leaders can also. American Miligana, Babna to Ekta Kurigana, Dimapur district citizen can Ganeki Balabo, Idhe Kurias. American issue to take up Purado, so Manubi American Babna Lichina Mansur Norte. But the fact is the fact. Fact to American Rubo Naparu, Mudu Laga issue. It prohibition to the fact is prohibition is not workable in the district of Dimapur. That is the fact. Thank you.
One last question.
Yes. Just let him supplement.
I'll just supplement since he's a student and we
Right.
just supplementing to our container. See, it's an open secret whether the egg is lifted or not. You can see everywhere. So, not only alcohol, but also see we are also in the top one when it comes to tobacco consumption. I think if the egg is lifted, I don't want to talk about revenue, but since it's a matter of the other way aspect, the revenue generated from that egg once it's lifted, I think it can be utilized in development of infrastructure. In one way, it can also be the rehabilitation center also. It can be used in development of other activities also. I think it is beneficial. So, tobacco, we are not generating any income, be the drugs also. So there is a right. So when we are saying that uplift the egg doesn't mean that we are asking the youth to shift their poison to alcohol. Nothing as such. But I think it can be educated. That's what we believe.
So ito yung mga regalo kami ang jasa October November kami ang tiada tujuh lagu bicara mengenai itu lambat waktu jadi. So November yang umurnya I think is the former now. Jadi jasa kita present tenure NBCC dan GS kita. Kalau kita kau umurnya kayak buku itu minister standing, MLS standing, sukan itu kami mengundur. Itu punya sana yang itu NBCC picture को बहुत मस्त निकल रहा है तो अपने हाथ में जरूर वो ना करने से अपने हाथ ट्राई करो तो एक बार अपना करना ही है
Also, see, American legislators, Mohan civil societies la leader kan hobi, sub walk of profession, life la profession ke, Mohan Nagaland ke, Mohan sub अलग denomination पर हो पड़े, मतलब all are Christians. So, American NBCC during those time, 80s la time the American laga NBCC Canberra and Naga Mother Association, followed by that lot of itu अलग organization kan भी था किसी ने, तो ये ताकन itu एक लगाते pressure organization. इतना लगा issue ते तो American like earlier I said. We are living in a very advanced, generation. So, American la bamnate, American laga views, American la experience, American la present scenario. Itu laga je American voice kuri ase to. Church to tahala moral obligation ase. Tahan to alcohol. It's an evil subject. So, takan bra itu tu takan kita be accept na kuru. But at the same time, moi kan naga civil society leader kan, ami kan further jabole bishi ase, aro further dibi ami kan na viewers, ami kan naga public ke janabole ase, mohan ki kura ase nai transparent bra last to itu la movement tu ami kan public kan ke janai dibo. At present to ita question hoda nishna American laga church kan la moral responsibility ase takan itu alcohol laga te voice kurule mon ko apoti nai hobi moi khan bi public khan laga voice to itu bi moral responsibility ase itu government ke punchai dibo nimide itu bra mo khan bi at the same time mo khan put differences nai we in fact we also belong from different denominations, American church can be, American itu आगे जातो. There should not be any confusion. এইটোৱে আছে। থেংক ইউ।